Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you an easy and effective home remedy to get rid of your dry, damaged and frizzy hair. And to prepare this home remedy you're only gonna need 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is a banana. After the banana you are gonna need 2 tablespoons curd or yogurt. Then you need 1 teaspoon castor oil, and if you don't have castor oil then you can even use olive oil. And lastly, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Now you have to put all these ingredients in a grinding or blending jar. Now blend all these ingredients nicely until it forms a smooth and lump-free paste. Now after blending all the ingredients really well, your home remedy to get rid of your dry, frizzy and damaged hair is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this paste should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny. And the application process of this hair mask is so easy. You just have to apply it on your scalp as well as on your hair length, and then leave it for good 30 to 45 minutes or even more if you have much time, and after that rinse it off with normal water. And for the best results you have to apply this hair mask twice or thrice a week. And after few uses of this hair mask you will be able to see effective results on your hair. Your hair will be more damage free, frizz free and will be shiny, smooth and lustrous. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.